Today we are going to start in accounting quantitative attribute of accounting. In the quantitative attribute of accounting, we are going to explain the nature of accounting. The quantitative attribute explain nature of accounting as follows. First, accounting is an art as well as science. Accounting is an art as well as science. In accounting, we are just going to see both nature, science natures and arts nature. Accounting is an art of recording, classifying, summarizing, analyzing, and interpreting the accounting record with a view of the net profit, loss, and financial position of the business. Accounting as a science also. As a science on organizing body of knowledge that contained some underlying principle and rule that are following within maintaining accounting. However, accounting is not a pure science as it does not establish cause and effect relationship. So, in this accounting, we are just seeing some art because in the accounting we are presenting the data, classifying the data, we are just analysis the data, summarize the data in the systematic way. On the basis of that, we can say it's art and accounting following some principle. It's a systematic body of knowledge. So we are going to say it's as science. On the basis of this, we can say accounting is an art as well as science. Okay, go for the next. Recording of financial transactions only. In the accounting, we are only recording the financial transactions. Non-financial transactions we are not going to record in accounting. Accounting record only those transactions and events that are expressed in monetary term or in quantitative form. For instance, the transaction like sale of goods for rupees 1000 will be recorded in the book of accounts. However, there are so many events which are very important for business but cannot be recorded in the accounts because they are not in the financial transaction. In this account, we are only recorded financial transaction or event or transaction which is in term of finance. Other transaction we are not going to record in our accounting. Next, recording in terms of money. All the record which we are going to maintain in accounting that will present in only in terms of money. We are not going to present any treatment or any transaction in terms of units or other units. The accounting record only those transactions which can be expressed in terms of money only recorded. We are going to record in business, in accounting only in terms of money. As like if you are going to purchase 5 chair or 5 table, 10 chair or 10 table, he will recorded the purchase of their casting. We are not going to record 5, we are going to purchase 5 table or journal entry 5 table. We are going to record his cast If 5 table cost is 8,000, then we are going to record in terms of 1,000, 8,000, 9,000, 20,000, but only we are going to present the all record in terms of money. And these all record we are going to present in primary book, that is journal. In some other business, a big size business, so we are going to present these all record in some subsidiary book, but in a small business, these all transaction we are going to record in journal book. In this video, we are see only 3 nature of accounting. Other nature we will see in next video. Thank you.